Ah, hello. Welcome to my channel. Cleaning glass, one of the harder things to do when you're detailing cars. A lot of technique is important and the right tools are important. Having a nice microfiber cloth is important and having the right cleaner. I've used a couple cleaners over time and I have 4 of them here that I've used, and I'll talk about which one's my least favorite, which one's my most favorite, and the reasons why. And like I said, my technique could use some improving. There's nothing wrong with any of these products, but I think some of them have some clear advantages. So my least favorite would probably be the Griot's Garage Glass Cleaner. This is the spray. And the problem with this one is it smells like petroleum products for some reason. So I don't like using it because I didn't like the smell, which is kind of silly because I'm sure it does an okay job, but I don't like the smell of this one. So that one. Third favorite, invisible glass. A lot of people swear by this, and this is the aerosol version. A lot of people swear by this, but when I use it, I think my windshield's clean, I turn into the sun, and I see spots I miss. And I think that's because it's a little bit slower to dry. And once again, that's my technique, that's the problem. It's a great product, but there are some easier ones out there that get better results. Second favorite, Spray Away glass cleaner. We use this a lot around the house. It's a great product. We use it in the cars, get great results. Second favorite. My absolute favorite that I've been using recently is the CarPro Clarify. This one is an amazing product. I use it. I turn the car into the sun. Windshield is clean. I don't have any spots where I missed it while it was still drying because it flashes really quickly. So it's easy one-step application. Just squirt on, dry it off. It flashes really quickly, and you get great results. So this one definitely makes cleaning glass easier and can make your detailing easier. If they had it in the old days, the joke about cleaning people not cleaning windows probably wouldn't have existed. So CarPro Clarify. I do have links down in the description for Amazon on ordering this and getting it to you pretty quickly. So CarPro Clarify, my favorite. And thank you again for watching. I appreciate you and look forward to making more content. Have a great day.